From the heart of Germany came a cry.